Yes, I promise those are twists, guys. You wanted to see twists on my hair? Here they are.
Hey, what's up? It's Wanza, and today it's about hair. So, yes, I'm going to do twists, and I'm going to show you how I moisturize my hair with coconut oil only. So, yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do it. Okay. Just from washing my hair, but nimekauka sana. But yeah.
So, just to tell you that basically on a normal wash day, I would not do these twists.
So guys, yeah, I realized I was missing something. Water. So I've mixed my H2O with some coconut oil, and then my sister had put some black castor in here. I never actually used black castor oil, but it was not even a lot, so it's not even significant. But yeah, coconut oil and some hot water. I don't like using cold water because again, cold water and affiliate it just falls down. What?
Porosity. Hot water is more
Yeah.
porous.
You had that one. Say it. Yeah.
Hot water is more porous.
Yes.
Yeah.
You have been taught.
So basically what I'm doing is just taking a section of my hair, wetting that with some of the spray that I've just showed you, which is water plus some little coconut oil, and then going ahead and then adding some little more coconut oil, and then just twisting the section, and that's it. And then at the ends of the twist I do a bantu knot to just close the twist, and that's it. Like at this end we seal like that with a bantu knot all around there, and you're good. Also, usijaribu kufanya hizi vitu kama umechoka. Tafadhali, please don't. Please, I'm giving you a warning, a fair warning. You will want to eat everything in the house. You will want to eat everything in the fridge. Hey, where? Ndikaambila. Yeah, bado tuna twist too. Imagine. We are still twisting. A whole decade has gone. Where? I was tired. Nataka tu chai, nataka tu chapati, nataka tu nipei kila kitu. I should be jumping with you relations. Hey, we're done. But yeah, I'm just hungry and I want tea, nothing else. and this is the end result, guys. Very well moisturized. Don't do this many twists if you don't want to. Do 4 or 5 or as many as you want. But yeah, I hope you like this video. I hope you subscribe and thumbs this video up if you like it. And yeah, subscribe. This video is low, so you wouldn't hear me, so yes, I have to do this. But yeah, guys, see you next time. And it's Wanza, and yeah, okay, I have to say bye. Okay, bye.